Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use your recovery code. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And before directly knowing how to use your recovery code, you need to know a thing before that. You will only need to use your recovery code when you have no access to the phone number which you had registered on Snapchat at the time of creation, and you have set it up the two-factor authentication, but you are not getting the code, but you want to log into your Snapchat account but you can't because you have no access. Then only you will need to use your recovery code. Now to do that, let's log in, and to log in you can see the login option at the left down side of your phone. Tap on the login, and after that enter your email or your username. I'll be using my username for this, and let's log in. And now you can see the verify device option. Snapchat will send you a code to your phone, but if you have no access to that phone number, the registered phone number of Snapchat, then you will not receive the code. Now in this condition, you need to use a recovery code to sign into Snapchat. Now let's use it, and this is my recovery code, and let's continue. And as you can see, two-factor authentication has been disabled since I used my recovery code to sign into Snapchat, and I will need to tap on OK and to log in. And let's turn it on, allow it, and allow it, and again allow it. Let's do that later. And there guys, let's tap on the profile picture icon or the Bitmoji icon on the top left. And this is how you use your recovery code to sign into Snapchat if you have no access to the phone number you registered into the Snapchat at the time of creation. And there guys, using your recovery code is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.